Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be making the famous Starbucks pumpkin cream cheese muffins. So we're gonna get right into what you're gonna need and all the ingredients you're gonna need to get. So first thing is some brown sugar, some oil spray, some all-purpose flour, some salt, some vanilla extract, some baking soda, as well as baking powder, pumpkin spice, pumpkin puree, not pumpkin filling, some butter, some cream cheese, some sugar, 2 large eggs, some piping bags, and some baking liners. So we're gonna get right into how to get started. Alrighty, step 1, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat that oven to 350 degrees. You're gonna melt half a cup of butter. Don't worry about the ingredient measurements as I'm gonna notate them all down below, okay? Then we're gonna line our baking tray. This recipe does make 12 muffins. So we're just gonna line our muffin tray here. We're gonna spray our oil right inside of them. So, all prepped. Now we're gonna set this aside. Alrighty, step 2, the cream cheese filling. So, I already opened up my Philadelphia cheese because I struggle, I got long nails, so get yourself some help if you got long nails also. So, we're gonna put this in our mixing bowl. Here we go. Our vanilla extract. Again, measurements of all the ingredients are gonna be down below. Some sugar. And then we're gonna mix it. So go ahead and get your mixer. So we wanna make sure that it's nice and smooth so that we can place it into our piping bag. And now we're gonna fill our piping bag with our cream cheese. Alrighty, now we're gonna set this aside in the refrigerator. And now step 3. We are gonna combine all of our ingredients in a large mixing bowl. We're gonna start off with the flour, sugar, brown sugar, our pumpkin puree, butter, and now our salt, our vanilla extract, baking soda, baking powder, our pumpkin spice, and our 2 eggs. Now we're gonna mix the batter nice and thick. Alrighty, moving right into step 4. Our batter is nice and thick now. And I'm gonna use a ice cream scooper to scoop it right up because it's gonna make it a lot easier for us. So just grab a pretty big amount here. And we're just gonna drop it in. See how easy that is? Perfect. Now that we're done filling our liners, we are gonna fill them with cream cheese. We're just gonna poke this right through the middle and start squeezing and filling the muffins up with cream cheese, my favorite part. Wanted to give you guys a little example of how deep I went in. Almost about an inch there, so nice and deep. Squeeze as much as you can into there until you see it like this. And then, I know this is not the traditional Starbucks way, but I like to give it a little swirl. So I'm gonna show you. It gives it a cute little design, doesn't have to be perfect. We're just gonna give it a little swirl. Trust the process, trust the process. It's gonna be cute. And then if you wanna be Starbucks extra, you can throw those pumpkin seeds right on top. But now it's time to bake. Oh my gosh, guys, we're all done, and look at them, they're so cute. And guess what? The best part is you get to taste the cream cheese filling in every single bite. These are so perfect for the holidays to enjoy with your family. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you guys make this recipe. I would love to know. I hope you guys join me next time to see what I cook next.